Welcome to another IT tech support video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a coming soon or under maintenance option for your website so visitors can't see your website you're currently working on, or if there's something that is broken on your site. First things first, let's go ahead and hit the dashboard once you're logged in. Once you're in the dashboard, you're going to scroll down to where you see plugins and you're going to hit add new. Once you're in this page, we're going to go to search plugins on the right hand side and type in coming soon. There's going to be multiple plugins that obviously pop up, but there's only one of the best that everyone uses, and that's this coming soon page under construction and maintenance mode. This is probably one of the best ones we have used or seen out there in the market. So we're going to click activate. While we're waiting for this to activate, don't forget to hit a thumbs up. Helps the algorithm, helps our videos with the algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button as we update you weekly with new videos on how to do certain things with the whole websites and marketing world. So once you're inside, it shoots you over to the plugin. And you currently can have it disabled, meaning that your website's functioning normal, or you can enable a coming soon. So the difference between a coming soon and maintenance mode is if you currently have active members on your website where people go and read or anything like that, if you do maintenance mode, they can still see your website if they're logged in, and if they log out, they can no longer see your site. Or you can enable coming soon mode, which kicks everybody out and they will see a coming soon page. So right now we're just going to enable a coming soon mode, and we're going to add a logo here. Let's go ahead and just add a gold level media logo. And we're going to type in on the header coming soon. And of course you can type in anything here. Let me just delete something. So our website will be back on Saturday 10/20/2021. And then if you like, you can definitely center this, make it bigger, whatever you desire. Let's just scroll down, powered by Seed Pro. So they currently do give you a free version. So either you can put no, I got no love, or yep, I love you, man, and it will show this. But obviously we're just gonna put no. You can add a favicon header. You can even do the SEO for the coming soon page. Right now I did just activate that. We're gonna go back to the Safari page. As you can see, here's my website. We're gonna refresh. Boom, gold level marketing and media print coming soon. Our website will be back on Saturday 10/20/21. So we did add a background ourselves because we had something completely, but you can go to like design and you can pick multiple designs. Obviously we picked the background. They usually don't come with the background. So let's just see here. Let's see if I can delete it. We are using the free version. So as you can see, you still have a lot of options that you can use throughout the free version. So this is how it will look if you do the edits we just currently did. I strongly suggest you do this whenever you're doing any type of major updates, just in case if somebody buys something and it doesn't go through, but you're working on the WooCommerce side. It definitely comes in handy. As well, if your website isn't fully ready to launch, you would definitely want to add a coming soon. So they do sell templates in the Pro version, which if you have the money, I would definitely suggest it. It's really simple to install the themes, and you can just click here on the right hand side, upgrade to Pro for more features. And obviously, if you scroll down, you can do a lot more of, you can edit a lot of more options. So this is how you add a coming soon page or maintenance mode. All you have to do to enable maintenance mode, you click here, and as you can tell, and if you like to read, it does say that if somebody's logged on, it would keep them logged on until they log out. Then they won't be able to enter the site unless they log back on. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video. And if you have any questions, drop it down below. And don't forget to visit our sponsors, as it helps keep the channel up and running.
Do you need hosting for your new business website? Host the Nerd is the best website hosting service. Host the Nerd allows unlimited storage for your website, unlimited visits per month, and an SSL certificate automatically installed. This will also include website backup protection and an automatic daily malware scan. This premium hosting is only $28.89 a month from your favorite hosting service. Host the Nerd.